Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Are you ready to study English to me? Alright, today we will continue the lessons about thanking and apologizing. Do you know what is the meaning thanking and apologizing? Well, thanking adalah ucapan terima kasih, and apologizing adalah ungkapan meminta maaf. Hari ini kita akan mempelajari tentang ungkapan berterima kasih kepada seseorang dan ungkapan meminta maaf kepada seseorang. Are you ready? Alright. What do you think? These questions. What do you do when someone helps you? Apakah kalian tahu apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika seseorang menolongmu? And what do you do when your mom gives you a present? Dan apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika ibu kalian memberi sebuah hadiah? And the last questions, what do you do when your friends buys you something? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika teman kalian membeli sesuatu? Now, we thank them for their kindness. That's good. Kita tentunya akan mengucapkan terima kasih kepada mereka atas kebaikannya. Do you agree? Of course. Do you know how to thank someone? Apakah kalian tahu bagaimana mengungkapkan rasa terima kasih tersebut kepada seseorang? Let's take a look at the example. Ayo, kita lihat beberapa contoh percakapan berikut. Thanking someone. I have some conversation for your study it. Okay, there are two students. Student A is a boy and the student B is girls. Her name is Tias. The boy says to Tias, Tias, here is your book. Thank you for lending me. What said Tias respond? Tias responds, you are welcome, Adit. Now, please give your response. How did Adit say thanks to Tias? Do you know? Apakah kalian tahu bagaimana Adit mengatakan terima kasih kepada Tias? That's good. Adit said, thank you for lending me. Adit mengucapkan terima kasih atas meminjamkan bukunya. The following are what people usually say to express thanks. Berikut adalah beberapa ungkapan terima kasih yang biasa kita katakan. What would you say? If you say to thanking someone, apa yang akan kalian katakan ketika mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seseorang? Of course, you say, thank you, Tias. Thanks, Adit. Thank you. You are very kind. And what's your response to thanking someone? Bagaimana untuk menjawabnya? That's good. You can respond, say you are welcome. My pleasure. Don't mention it, or you can say it's okay. Repeat after me ya. We try it to express thanking to someone. Thank you, Tias. And you can respond, you are welcome. Thanks, Adit. You can respond, my pleasure. Thank you, you are very kind. You can respond, don't mention it. Or you can respond, it's okay. Next, the lesson today. What do you do when you make mistakes? Sekarang, kalian pahami ya apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika kalian membuat kesalahan. And what do you do when you hurt someone? Dan apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika kalian melukai seseorang? And what do you do when you can't help someone? Dan apa yang akan kalian lakukan ketika kalian tidak membantu seseorang? Do you know? That's good. We ask for an apologize. Kalian tentunya akan meminta maaf pada seseorang tersebut. Let's study it. Do you know how to ask for an apologize? Sekarang, apakah kalian tahu bagaimana untuk meminta maaf kepada seseorang? Let's take a look at the example. Mari, Miss akan perlihatkan contoh percakapan di bawah ini. Look at, who are they? They are students and teacher. This is the conversation about between students and teacher. Students asking for an apologize to the teacher. He says, I'm sorry for coming late. I won't do it again. Siswa mengatakan, saya mohon maaf atas keterlambatan saya. I won't do it again. Saya tidak akan melakukannya kembali. And the teacher says, please come on time. Guru mengatakan, please come on time. Datanglah tepat pada waktunya. What do you think about this question? For asking for an apologize based on the conversations, how did Hendrik say apologize to the teacher? Do you know? Bagaimana Hendrik mengatakan ucapan meminta maaf kepada gurunya? That's good. He says, dia mengatakan, I'm sorry for coming late. I won't do it again. Dia mengatakan perminta maafnya dengan mohon maaf, saya datang terlambat. Saya tidak akan melakukannya kembali. The following are what people usually say to make an apologize. Kita pelajari yuk sekarang apa yang biasa orang-orang katakan untuk permintaan maaf. Asking for forgiveness, you can say, I'm sorry for coming late. Reasons dengan alasan I woke up late. Dikarenakan saya bangun terlambat. And I promise I won't do it again. Dan saya berjanji saya tidak akan melakukannya kembali. Or, I'm sorry for coming late. Atau, Saya meminta maaf karena datang terlambat dengan alasan I woke up late. I'm sorry for coming late. I promise I won't do it again. Saya meminta maaf keterlambatan datang saya. Saya berjanji saya tidak akan melakukannya kembali. Etc. dan yang lainnya. How to responding to an apologize? Bagaimana kalian untuk bisa menjawab permintaan maaf tersebut dari seseorang? Here are what people usually say to respond to an apologize. Di sini beberapa untuk mengatakan atau menjawab sebuah permintaan maaf dari seseorang. You can say, kalian bisa katakan dengan that's alright, I forgive you. Baiklah, saya memaafkanmu. There's no need to apologize, let's forget it. Tidak ada yang dimaafkan. Saya sudah memaafkannya. I accept your apologize, so don't worry. Saya menerima permintaan maafmu, tidak perlu dicemaskan. Or you can respond, don't worry about it. Tidak perlu cemas tentang itu. Never mind, tidak masalah. It doesn't matter, and you can respond, forget it. Do you understand, students? That's all for the lesson today. And I say thank you for attention and participation. Please study hard at your home. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.